Cisco Systems here at its Cisco Live conference in Las Vegas unveiled the Connected Grid, a new portfolio of home and business solutions to save energy. I spoke to Sankit and Burker of the Smart Grid solution for Cisco about these new products.
And if we look at the Connected Grid really is about having an end-to-end infrastructure for the smart grid, really tying in all the different places we see in the network. That can be transmission distribution, it can be failure networks, it can be data centers, operation centers, and then crossing over the smart meter into businesses and homes, and making sure you have energy management that goes all across these different layers. Doing it so you get the benefits of a smart grid, which are efficiencies, better management, better choice to the end consumers, and really tying in much more of the renewables and meeting in regulatory requirements.
So in terms of go-to-market as it relates to smart grid and really our energy management story, it's interesting. We're finding that there's some similarities to what we've done in the past with things like voice, right? This is a convergence play. And in terms of our overall go-to-market, the approach that we're taking is a very targeted approach with very specific lighthouse accounts in the utility industry for the smart grid portfolio. So we've actually named accounts. We've actually selected specific partners that have specific skills that we want to take into these lighthouse customers. The entire goal is to early on establish customer satisfaction with a few lighthouse customers with our new technologies, and then expand into a broader set of customers and a broader set of partners over time.
You can view them in a couple different areas. From an end consumer standpoint, you can get benefits from using, like, for example, the home energy management system we talked about today, where you give the end consumer the ability to really manage their power consumption by giving them the tools to monitor how much they're consuming, what is being consumed by what type of devices in their home, and also leveraging programs that are there with utility companies such as time of use or time of day pricing to really schedule when they do their demand consumption. You can take the same thing to a business, and you can leverage the mediator capabilities, which we talked about today as well, and launch the new management where you can now also manage energy consumption at a business level. And this would be everything from your lighting systems, your heating and cooling systems, energy being consumed in data center systems, all the way down to individual devices like your phones, your IP devices that all are connected onto the network itself.
The strategy behind the Connected Grid portfolio is to really inform customers, either in the home or in business, about their energy consumption. IDC found that customers, either in the home or in business, that knew about the types of energies that they were consuming reduced their output by 4 to 15%. I'm Paolo Dell'Ingletto for CD and Computer Dealer News in Las Vegas, Nevada.